Hey everyone, it's Elaine and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Winter Fun Collab. You know what they say, all good things need to come to an end. Well, this is the last week of the collaboration, so this is the week for the prize giveaway. Now first, again, I'm going to take care of a little business, and that is to thank Crafty Mama and This and That with Michelle for being such wonderful hostesses to this collaboration. I greatly appreciate all the work that you have put into this. I truly do. This was a big one. There were a lot of people in it, and it was a lot of work to kind of keep up with everybody this time. But it was a fun kind of work. So again, going with the business, remember, you had to make a comment on each one of my videos to be entered into my prize giveaway. You also needed to be a visible subscriber. And I did what I could do to make sure that you knew if you were not, if I could not see you. Okay, so that's kind of the business. Now let me show you what you are going to be given. First of all, I'm going to give you everything that I made in the collaboration. So the first thing is the 3D card. I am going to include the envelope that goes with it. And then I'm going to give you the bits and pieces that were left over of the one that I used to make that one 3D. So you'll have an ATC card, which you could use for a gift card. Here's another little piece of ephemera. And then who knows, you might be able to do something with the rest of the card. So that's going. Then this is the shaker card, and I'm going to be giving that away. And then this is the one that was the journal. All right, now each one of them, I'm going to give you an envelope to go with it in case you do want to send it out to someone. All right. And then, of course, the box. Now, I will flatten the box out, so you will have to put it back together again. Be good practice for you. So those are the main things, that I'm going to give. But I'm also going to give you one of the journals that I put together and have been in my Etsy shop. Now, I've sold, I don't know, a couple dozen of them or so. And I'm going to give that. Now, let me show you mine. This is one that I have been using off and on for probably about 2 years. This cover was the same as this cover. Alrighty. And then I just do all kinds of stuff in it. I mean, there's some junk, there's some art journal pages. Now, I will say, because there is a variety of pages or papers, excuse me, that I would suggest that you do clear gesso on them, okay? Just to make them a little bit more stout. Again, this is kind of a hodgepodge of all kinds of stuff, and I keep some important things in here as well as a place to kind of doodle and kind of make a mess, all right? So I am going to send you one of those journals as well. So those are the gifts that I'm going to be given. Now let me kind of put this all in a pile and scooch it out of my way. And then here are the names, okay? Now I'm turning my head. I am not looking. I hope my voice is still strong. Alrighty, so let's pick one, and this is it. And the winner is Sweets Crafting. Alrighty, now, Miss Sweets, please contact me. I will get this out to you as soon as I possibly can. Please email me. You'll see my email address listed below. And when you do contact me, please let me know what your address is and everything. And I will get right back to you and let you know when I get your goodies in the mail. So, Sweets Crafting, congratulations, and we will be in touch. I greatly appreciate it. Bye-bye.